From stuck to successful. This is your roadmap to achieving your biggest goals. Hi, champions. I'm Dr. Meghna Dikshit, author of You Matter, and I'm so excited to welcome you to our channel. Here we dive deep into the limitless potential of your mind and brain, unlocking the secrets to your success, helping you heal from the past and preparing for an extraordinary future. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the tools and insights you need to thrive. For my committed subscribers, welcome back. Your journey to mastering your mind and living your best life continues here. If you are ready to unleash your brain's potential, dive in the chat box right now. And let's take this journey forward. Today's topic is from stuck to successful. This is the roadmap to achieving your biggest goals. But before I share my thoughts, I want to ask you a few quick questions. Answer each with a yes or no, and rate yourself as we go along. First, do you often feel like you're going in circles? Second, do you start your day feeling like you're dragging yourself around? Third, when making decisions, do you catch yourself going back and forth in doubts? Fourth, do you see your friends or peers moving ahead while you feel left behind? Fifth, are you getting new opportunities but fear taking the next step? And sixth, do you find yourself saying, I don't know, more often than you would like? If you answered yes to more than 4, you might be feeling stuck. Type that is me in the chat if this resonates with you. A Gallup report from 2023 found that a whopping 85% of respondents felt stuck and disengaged in their careers. So if you're feeling stuck, know that you're not alone. But being stuck for too long is not good. It can lead to serious psychological stress. Today, I will share easy steps to help you break free from that stuck feeling and get back on the path to success. So, champions, let me know in the chat if you have ever felt so stuck you consider giving up on your goal entirely. Just type yes, been there if you have. I have been there many times. Let me share a story about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj here, the late Maratha king known for his intelligence and strategic thinking. He once visited Aurangzeb in Agra, accompanied by his son Sambhaji. After an argument, Aurangzeb placed both of them under house arrest. But Shivaji, calm and clever, feigned illness. He began sending large boxes of sweets to various fakirs day after day. Over time, the guards stopped inspecting them closely. Finally, Shivaji and his son hid inside those boxes and escaped. This story illustrates how Shivaji never lost sight of his bigger purpose to establish a free state for his people. Even in a stuck situation, he found a way out. Comment, I got it if you got it in the chat box. I remember a time when I felt stuck too. My Ayurveda clinic was doing fine. I was earning well, but something felt off. That missing piece gnawed at me, and I realized I had lost sight of my bigger vision or my why. Once I reconnected with that deeper purpose, everything changed. What's one big goal you have that might need a clearer why? Type it in the chat. Sometimes stating it out loud is the first step to reclaim your path. Okay, so now let's dive into 6 easy steps you can follow whenever you feel stuck, so you can get back on the success track immediately. First, identify and define your goals. Clarity is power. So list your personal and professional aspirations. Rate them, take the top 10. Check alignment with your values. This is your big why. So which of your top goals might need a stronger why? Let me know in the chat. Second, set SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. Is this goal clearly defined? Ask yourself, can I measure my progress? Is it realistic? Type SMART if you are ready to fine tune your goals. Third is to prepare your strategy: SWOT analysis. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This helps you see where you stand and how to move forward. Ever done a SWOT analysis? Type yes or no in the chat box. Break down action steps. Turn each goal into 5 to 10 smaller tasks. Create daily to-do lists to keep moving forward. Which task do you often avoid? Let me know in the chat box. Sometimes naming it is half the battle. Fifth is implementation and execution. Share your plan with your stakeholders or accountability partners. Stay flexible, adapt when needed. Adaptability is key to success. Type I adapt in the chat box if you are committed to stay flexible. Sixth is evaluation, feedback, and celebration. Check progress regularly. Celebrate small wins. Openness to feedback fuels continuous improvement. Share one small win you would like to celebrate in the chat. It could inspire someone else. Following these steps diligently can lift you out of that stuck feeling and guide you towards success. Remember, self compassion is a secret ingredient. Mistakes are stepping stones, not roadblocks. And now tell me, what is one act of kindness you will show yourself today? Maybe you will give yourself a break, celebrate a tiny milestone, or forgive yourself for a past mistake. Let me know in the chat box. And if you have found value in this video, click that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on your personal growth and success. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you of two valuable links in the caption below. First is join my live seminar. Learn how to train your brain and unlock your full potential completely free. And second, get my book, You Matter. Start your personal growth journey today by grabbing your copy, your first step to living an extraordinary life. Champions, thank you so much for spending time with me today. Keep your eyes on that big goal, keep moving forward, and remember you have everything it takes to become the success story you've always dreamt of. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep shining, keep thriving, and remember, you matter.